Hello guys, so I am Frozen Big in Growtopia and yeah, we will start. Guys, this is my friend Hannah. Hannah, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. I said say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so wait, let me turn on the sounds. Yeah. Wait, what is this? I think, things like this, I think they're impossible. Even with asbestos boots. Wait, let me try. See? Even if I try 1,000,000 times, I can't even do it. Yeah, so this is episode 1 of Growtopia. And I think in the next episode, Hannah will be there to accompany us. Wait, let me try this. This looks like fun. Even if I don't have this. Wait, what's the price? Yeah, and sorry for my accent because I'm Filipino. Oh shit, this is one of my best games. Shit, they already got in. Okay, one. Come on, Markio, move. What, one? Oh, nice, 3. Thank you. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh no. 1, 3, 1, 2, 2. Oh, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1. 1, 3, 1, 2, 1. 2, 3. One, 3. What do you think? Is this possible, Hannah?
I don't know.
You're so stubborn. It's not 1, it's not 2. Hannah, can I pause this when I'm recording? I mean, oh. Sorry guys, I'm sorry I can't pause this. Please, can you wait? I'll try to finish this. I want that word lock, haha. Shit, I think they already know the answer. Oh my god. I should race for victory. Oh! Fuck. I will lose, OMG. Oh shit. I'm already for It's not 3. Maybe. Oh! you have. This is an impossible game. And 1, 2, 3. Let me try. Oh, I think. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, thanks, Hannah. Hannah did that. I almost lost. Shit! That guy tricked me. One. Tell me, Hannah. 1, 3, 1, 2, 1. What?
1.
It's not 1, stupid.
2.
Wait, let me think. I think it's 2. Yeah, I'm correct. Moment of truth. Oh! I think it's impossible.
Stop.
If this ain't the door, well... Well, we have our first scammer world. It's get with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with 70s. So guys, this is the first episode. Like, subscribe, and fave the vid for more videos. And I think we will have Hannah in the next episode. And maybe we'll go to family adoptions and find some parents and maybe have some fun. Bye.